Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide on today's video. I'm going to show you how to add a location in Google Maps. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, close the app, then sign in using your Google account. Now on the screen, you can see maps of different places with search bar and other options like explore, go, saved, contribute and updates. Well, you can go ahead and tap on contribute, then select add place there, or go ahead, go to explore, then zoom in, then select a location. Well, you can always drop a pin there. Once you do that, you can see you can scroll left and add a label. If you select add label and just edit the place's name, other persons can find that place from their Google Maps. Well, to do that, scroll down and select add a missing place. Once you select that option on the screen, you can see you have to add a place name, category. Under category, you can see you can add like food and drink spot, shopping, services, hotel and accommodation, whatever the place name is. Then go ahead and add the address. Then you can give more details by tapping on more details there. You can add the phone number, the website. Then also, if it's new, you can even add opening date there, and go ahead and tap on submit on the bottom right corner. And guys, that's how you add a place on Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.